Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Polygon Matic, whose current price stands at the $0.8207 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 0.93%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Polygon Matic from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.32 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction, and soon we might see a very nice bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave structure, having our wave 5 taking us back to an all-time high. But before we see an all-time high, we first need to see a first wave to the upside, which I have a target area here on the charts within this yellow target area, between the $1.93 mark and the $1.65 mark. And that yellow target area, I'm basing it on the Fibonacci's, applying the fibs from the low down here to the all-time high. You can see that my yellow target area lies between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5, which is the minimum that I expect that first wave to the upside to do. And according to the Elliot waves guidelines, within a wave 1 we also expect to see a fractal wave information within a wave 1, and that is what is going to give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts. So if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart you can see I have this yellow fractal wave within a wave 1, which is what I believe is information at the moment. And once we see the formation of a wave 5 to the upside, that will be completing a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of this fractal wave so that it can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out, after making our low at around the $0.32 mark, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside and formed a high for that first wave to the upside. Then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. And using the Fibonacci's, we can get to see whether that wave 2 has done the minimum that we expect a wave 2 to the lower side to do, connecting the fibs from the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1. That gives me the minimum target area for that wave 2 to the lower side between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382. And you can see here on the charts we retraced into that target area. We even overshooted the fib level 0.382 a little bit. Then we started to see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 3. And here on the charts I had a target area for that third wave to the upside at around the $0.93 mark as the minimum, and that I was basing it on the trend-based Fibonacci's, connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gave me the target area for that third wave to the upside at around the $0.91 mark, and that is at around the fib level 1.618. So that is the minimum that I expected that third wave to the upside to do here on the charts. And initially in my previous videos I had said that the high that we made at around the $1.02 mark, that was the high for that third wave to the upside. And this movement that we were seeing over here, I expected this is the retracement of that fourth wave to the lower side. But after we managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.95 mark, we continued pushing higher and we made a new high at around the $1.06 mark. Then we started to see a very nice retracement to the lower side, and that made me to change my Elliot wave count over here, having this high that we made at around the $1.06 mark as the high for that third wave to the upside. And I believe whatever we are seeing here is a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4. And because a wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the Fibonacci's to get a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side. And to do that, I just need to connect the fibs from the low of the wave 3, connecting all the way to the high of that new high for that third wave to the upside, and that gives me a minimum target area for that retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4 between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5, and we can maximize that to around the 0.382 as a maximum. So it's possible we might maximize this target area to the lower side. And the formation of this wave 4 to the lower side, this is what is going to give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on this chart. And you can see Polygon Matic has continued to respect this Elliot wave structure, and we came down into this yellow target area, and within this yellow target area we have a key area of support at around the $0.78 mark. As we continued unlocking lower prices, we hit that key area of support, and we saw a very nice bounce to the upside over here. We even saw a retest of that key area of support, and we have continued pushing even higher. So it's possible that whatever we are seeing over here is an ABC correction, because a wave 4 is a corrective wave. Whatever we are seeing here, we can have it as an ABC correction, having that as the wave A. Then after seeing the retest, you can see we are seeing a very nice bounce to the upside. This might be what is forming a wave B, so it's possible we might see a high, then continue pushing to the lower side to maximize our yellow target area in the formation of a wave C of that ABC correction. So that gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out over here. After seeing the retest, we have continued pushing higher, so it's possible very soon we are making a high, and after making that high, we are going to unlock lower prices in the formation of a wave C to maximize our yellow target area down here. So I expect very soon we are going to find a reversal over here, and once that happens, I will expect us to go back to this key area of support and lose that key area of support, maybe even see a retest of that key area of support to the lower side. And once that happens, then lower prices could be coming our way to maximize our yellow target area for that fourth wave to the lower side. And because this is an Elliot wave structure, I also need to have invalidation points of this Elliot wave structure here on the charts. So for us to invalidate this Elliot wave structure, that can only happen in case that fourth wave to the lower side retraces into the high of that first wave to the upside. So in this Elliot wave structure, the high was made at around the $0.63 mark. So in case we continue seeing lower prices, lose that key area of support, continue seeing lower prices and get to around the $0.63 mark, then that will be invalidating my Elliot wave structure here on the charts, and I will have to adjust my Elliot wave structure and maybe even see this movement to the upside as something else. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And it's also possible that maybe the low for that fourth wave is in, because you can see we have done the minimum we expected that fourth wave to the lower side to do by coming down into this yellow target area. So it's possible that now that we have support at around the $0.78 mark, we can see a very nice bounce to the upside, continue pushing higher, manage to break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.95 mark, see a retest of that key area of resistance, and in case that happens and we continue pushing higher and make a high above the high for that third wave, then we can say the breakout is in, and we might consider that movement to the upside as the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators to see whether those movements here on the RSI will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 51 mark, so any movement to the upside or to the downside, that movement here on the RSI will be supported. On the MACD, we had printed a bullish cross down here, and we have continued seeing higher prices and also an increase in volume here on the MACD. So let's be patient and see what will be printed next, and I'll keep you updated.